Hello everyone, welcome to Gigi and Papa's Kitchen. Today we are having fried pork chops.
Fried chops.
Gigi got some pork chops and she beat them out, thinned them
Very
out.
thin.
Yep.
Now we're going to bread them.
We're going to bread them and we're going to fry them in cast iron skillet. We got 4 big baked potatoes in the oven at 400 degrees. We hope y'all are having a wonderful day. You're happy, well, safe. Alrighty, we're gonna make this some buttermilk to put our pork chops in.
I'm going to add an egg to mine this time. Kind of save a little step.
Eggs, some milk,
Some lemon juice.
making a buttermilk.
Okay.
So if you don't have any buttermilk at home, you can just whip
make
you
your
some
own.
up, absolutely.
Put some Cavender's Greek seasoning. I'm
She's
gonna
got some panko breadcrumbs over
I
there.
do. Bit of garlic powder. Put some garlic powder in there. Just gonna whisk this up well.
Absolutely. It just felt like a pork chop condiment night. We ain't had pork chops in a minute,
No, we have not.
so
Just gonna have to have some. From there to here.
absolutely.
Butter well.
Get them buttered real good. Look at that right there.
Yummy. It's gonna be really good.
Yes, they are.
And the panko will give it a nice little crunch.
There's a panko batter pork chop. Y'all give this a try. I mean, it's super easy. Like I said, we got 4 big old baked potatoes in the oven.
We do.
Gonna load them up. Sour cream, cheese, bacon bits. Alrighty, Gigi, we made us some buttermilk with some
1 egg, about a half a cup of milk, and some lemon juice.
absolutely whipped it up real good. Now she got some panko breadcrumbs. We're breading them before we fry them in a cast iron skillet.
Let them sit about, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes. It helps the breading adhere better to the meat, and it won't all come off when you cook it.
And we got us 4 big old baked potatoes in the oven. Gonna load them down with cheese and sour cream and some bacon bits. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day.
Yes, we do.
Alrighty, our pork chops is going in the cast iron skillet. Cook them, I don't know, 5 minutes on each side, probably. They go
They're
brown. Yeah, they'll be delicious. Alrighty, our pork chops is went in the hot grease in a cast iron skillet. We're gonna cook them for, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes apiece till they're brown on each side. They're thin. Gigi made them thin for us, so it won't take long to cook them. And like I said, we got the baked potatoes in the oven. We're gonna have some turnip greens with seasoned turnip greens,
Baked potatoes and
baked
fried
potato, and
pork
fried pork chops. That don't right there don't just make your mouth water. I don't know nothing with it.
chops.
Would y'all look at them beautiful pork chops? Gigi cut them in half. They was too big.
I couldn't get them lay right in the pan.
Absolutely. Look at them beautiful chops, would you? Gigi cut them in half because 2 of them wouldn't fit in the pan. They wouldn't lay right, so she had to cut them down. But man, it looks so good. We got us some cheese for a baked potato, ground up. And we're moving right along. I mean, some fine smelling food here, y'all. Look at that right there. Make y'all some fried pork chops, some turnip greens, some baked potatoes for sandwich. I promise they'll love it. Because ours made with love. As long as you make it with love, it'll be good. We got our grated cheese. We got our sour cream. There's my tiger sauce for my pork chops. Gigi likes to put some ketchup on hers. We got our vinegar for our turnip greens. Oh, we got our baked potatoes in the oven. We got our sauces. Tiger sauce for my pork chops, sour cream for my baked potato, apple cider vinegar for my turnip greens. Got our cheese for a baked potato. Gigi likes the ketchup in her on her pork chops. We're gonna have us a good old turnip greens, seasoned turnip greens real good. It's gonna be delicious. Fried pork chops, turnip greens, and baked potato. Oh, she's chopping everything up. Look at that right there.
Yum,
Cut
yum,
it
yum.
good. Put some apple cider vinegar in them greens right yonder.
Don't do that. Mm-hmm.
Gonna be good, y'all. We appreciate each and every one of you for taking your time to watch our videos.
We do. Thank you so much.
Yes, please leave us a like, a share, and a subscribe. Have a blessed day, and check us out tomorrow.
Bye, kids.
Ooh, would y'all look at that right there? Fried pork chop, baked potato, cheese, sour cream, turnip greens with some apple cider vinegar. We thank each and every one of you for taking time to watch our videos. Please leave us a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Thanks, kids.
See y'all later.